Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of Disney's Prince Aladdin with a costume set that's sure to make your wishes come true. If you're a fan of cosplay-themed parties or just want to add a touch of magic to your wardrobe, you won't want to miss this. Let's explore Disney's Prince Aladdin costume set. First, let's take a closer look at this exquisite costume set. It's sourced from Europe and the United States, and it's designated as model number R5. The materials used are of the highest quality, with acrylic that guarantees both durability and comfort. This set includes all the essentials to transform you into the charming Prince Aladdin. You'll find the intricately detailed top, the flowy and comfortable Arabian pants, the iconic fez hat, and the signature belt that ties the ensemble together. Now, what sets this costume apart is its authenticity. It's an officially licensed Disney product, bearing the trusted Disney brand name. The origin of this fantastic costume is mainland China, specifically Guangdong province. Rest assured, it's been crafted with precision to capture every detail of Prince Aladdin's iconic attire. One of the most exciting aspects of this costume set is its versatility. Whether you're gearing up for Halloween, spreading holiday cheer during Christmas, joining the festivities at a carnival, or simply looking for the perfect outfit for a holiday party, this costume has you covered. Dear, remember, product link can be found in comment box or description. And the best part, it's not just for show. It's designed for adults, so it's comfortable to wear all day and night. The flowy pants allow for ease of movement, making it perfect for dancing, cosplay, and so much more. Stepping into the shoes of the charming Prince Aladdin is an opportunity to unlock your inner hero. Whether you're a seasoned cosplayer or someone looking to make a grand entrance at a themed party, this costume will help you shine. Imagine the look of amazement on your friends' faces when you make your grand entrance as Aladdin himself. Dear, remember, product link can be found in comment box or description. In conclusion, Disney's Prince Aladdin costume set is your ticket to experiencing the magic and wonder of Agrabah. With its quality materials, attention to detail, and authenticity, it's the perfect choice for adults seeking adventure and enchantment. Don't miss out on the chance to make your wishes come true with this remarkable costume set. Dear, remember, product link can be found in comment box or description. Thank you for joining us today. If you're ready to add a touch of Disney magic to your life, click the link in the description below to get your very own Prince Aladdin costume set. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting reviews and cosplay tips. Until next time, may your adventures be as thrilling as a magic carpet ride. For more exciting reviews and cosplay ideas, be sure to follow us on social media and visit our website. And remember, the magic begins with you.